Once the tire is dismounted from the rim, the next job is to carefully remove the sensor. Using the 1/4-inch T-bar tool found in your hand toolkit and a 11mm socket, carefully remove the locking nut from the valve stem. Once removed, the sensor will come away from the rim easily. Unfasten the screw in order to detach the valve from the sensor. Identify the correct replacement valve and orientate the valve so that it fits into the sensor, and attach the screw through the side of the housing. Once the majority of the screw is installed, use the TPMS torque wrench set to 1.4 Nm to finish the fastening process. With the valve and sensor assembly built, it's now time to attach it back to the rim. Remove the locking nut and pass the valve through the rim hole and hold the sensor in place. Hand tighten the locking nut back to the valve. Now, use your TPMS torque wrench to fasten the locking nut to 4 Nm. Check that the valve core is correctly installed using the preset valve core torque tool. Replace the valve cap and you're done. You are now ready to fit the tire. Balance the wheel and fit back to the vehicle in the relevant wheel position.